Hey guys, this is T with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2022 Scout 215 XSF. This boat is a phenomenal boat for the daily cruise or fishing. Got a very large jump seat up front in front of your console. Nice wraparound bow seating with backrest. Tons of anchor storage. Nice little front deck for fishing. This particular model does have the hardtop forward spreader lights, aft spreader lights. Got the glass enclosure. It's got the nice leaning post with flip-up bolsters, igloo cooler storage there. This one here is powered with a Mercury 150 4-stroke. Mercury gauges, of course, plenty of area there for any kind of electronics installed. Again, here back, you've got a fold-up jump seat in the back as well, access to the bilge. Got a bait tank on the port side. A swim platform in the back. Walk through transom door here. Take a step down, show you the exterior. Is their shark gray color. Absolute beautiful boat. It's located here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.